Now, dear children, continue of chapter number 2. Our next topic is factor that cause a first world war. It means now we are learning about the factor that causes the first world war. The First World War could be considered as one of the most heartbreaking and unforgettable events of the modern world. Now, what they have to given that, dear children, they have to given that the First World War was a one kind of the heartbreaking as well as the unforgettable events of the modern world. Many factors were responsible for this. What happened that many factors are responsible for the First World War. The First World War, the First World War began on 1st August 1914. It means the First World War started on 1st August 1940. Germany had defeated the France in Sedan War, because of which the French had to sign the Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. Now what happened there? Germany has defeated the France in the Sedan War because the France had to sign the Frankfurt Treaty in 1871, according to which France had to pay a war fine as well as give away two of its provisions. What happened then? According to that Frankfurt Treaty, the France has to give main two provisions to the Germany, Lorentz and abscation to the Germany. France had not been able to overcome this humiliation. Now what happened then? Now the France had not been able come to overcome of this humiliation. What was the meaning of humiliation? Humiliation, it means tiraskar karna. Thus, Frankfurt Treaty itself was the cause of the First World War. Which is the treaty for the cause of the First World War? Frankfurt Treaty between France and Germany is also the cause of the First World War. The end of a war showed the seeds of the future war. Now, what happened then? The complete of this First World War also so it means both of the seeds of the future war also. Now, first factor is the economic factor. England had established its vast empire in Asia and Africa in the 19th century. Now, what happened that year, dear children? England established their vast empire. It means England established their colonies into Asia and Africa into the 19th century. It exploited its colony economically and become a richer. Now, what happened there? This England become exploited. Exploited, it means शोषित करना of colonies of economically and become a rich. Due to the industrialization and swift colonialization, Europe required the huge quantity of raw material. Now, what happened? Due to the industrialization, European nations required the huge quantity of raw material. In the last quarter of the 19th century, Germany had started the competition to the procedure the market in the Asia and Africa, and that's why what happened there. Up to the ending of the 19th century, Germany has also started the competition with other European nations, and Germany started the supplying the cheaper goods in comparison with the England and France. Now what happened there? Here Germany started supplying their goods at the cheaper it means at the low price with comparison with England and France. That's why the Afro-Asian market that England and France dominated, where this Afro-Asian market England and France has dominated. What was the meaning of dominated? It means the Shasan Karna, Prabhutva, where thus broken up by the Germany. It means the Germany broken out the Afro-Asian market of the England and France by providing the cheaper price goods, and consequently there was an intense of economic competition between Germany and England, and that's why what happened there, one kind of the economic competition was started between Germany and England. Second one is military reason. Military force was necessary and important for the competition that the European nation got into for the expansion. Now what happened there? Due to increase in competition among the European nation, all nation was increase and expand their military. England, France, Austria, Russia, etc. had begun expanding their military power, and that's why what happened that England, France, Austria, Russia, this whole nation was expanding their military power. While in country like Japan, Italy, Germany, compulsory military training had started, and that's why what happened there. Some other nation like Japan, Italy, and Germany have started compulsory training up, and the production of the weapons was increased under the pretext of the self-defense. And now what happened there? Many nation was increased the production of the weapons for the self-defense. Thus, the militarism got an impute and military competition added to the economic competition and create a serious atmosphere of war. And that's why what happened there, this kind of the militarism got an impute it means prerna dena for the one kind of the military competition among the other nation, and they have to create the one kind of the atmosphere of the war. Next one, groupism, secret treaty. Groupism and secret treaty play a major role in the First World War. The world was divided into two groups before the First World War. Now what happened there, dear children? Before starting the First World War, before that, the world was divided into two groups. One side, the group of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria, and Turkey, while on other side the group of England, France, and Russia, and Japan. Now what happened that, dear children, here? What happened that here the world was divided into two groups before the First World War. One side is Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria, and Turkey, while on another side England, France, Russia, and Japan. One kind of feeling of jealousy, enmity it means the satruta, mistrust, fear, and the hatred involved between the group, which was the important factor of the First World War. This is what happened that here in groupism, each and every nation was not in trust with each other, and they have one kind of the fear, enmity, jealousy, hatred with each other. That's why also the one kind of the factor of the First World War. After they have to given about the feeling of fears of nationalism, the independence of Belgium and Greece, and the unification of Germany and Italy. Now what happened that here? Independence of Belgium and Greece, while on another side unification. What was the meaning of unification? Unification it means ekikaran hona. Unification of Germany and Italy were the result of nationalism, and that's why because of unification the nationalism was arose among the Germany and Italy. But later the feeling of nationalism took an extreme and narrow form in the Europe. Economic jealousy, competition, colonialization in Europe had increased so much that the national interest of each other began to clash. Now what happened there? In Europe nation, the economic jealousy with other nations, competition among the nation, colonialization in Europe have increased so much that the national interest of each other began to clash in the European nation, and leading the European nation to being a teaching extreme and destructive nationalism to its people. Now what happened that the leader are teaching extremely and destructionization of nationalism to the people. Love for own nation and hatred for the other nation were encouragement. Now what happened there? This leader teach the people that love for own nation, it means you are loving only own nation and you have to hate the other nation. This kind of the encouragement was given among the people of that nation, and that's why the German chief Kaiser Williams was the other originator of the nationalism and colonialization. He was our ambitious. German chief was one kind of the our ambitious and believed that world leadership, and German leader believed that now they have to lead about the world leadership, and he wanted to get the things done according to his will with the help of his grand military power. And now what happened then? German leader try and think that all the things was to be done according to him and according to their military power, and the feeling of war spread across the other nation. as it, Germany and its head resulted in the First World War. Fifth point, role of newspaper. The newspaper of the European nation aroused so much hatred among the people. Now what happened there, dear children? Here, the European nations of the newspaper are printing the hating speech among the people regarding with the mutual, derogatory, provocative, exaggerated and the false write-ups by spitting the venom against the rival nation. Now what happened there? Here they were putting the hated speech among the people for the mutual, after derogatory it means अपमानजनक, provocative it means उस्काने वाला, उत्तेजक, after exaggerated it means बढ़ाकर, अतिरंजित, बढ़ा चढ़ा के लिखना, false it means they have to write the false things in the newspaper, and ups by spitting the venom spitting it means थूकना, venom it means विष, जहर, उस प्रकार के न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर लेख आने लगे अगेंस्ट राइवल इट मीन्स प्रतिद्वंदी, इट मीन्स कॉम्पिटिशन अमंग दैट पीपल, दैट काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स वाज टू बी रिटन इन न्यूज़पेपर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द रूलर ऑफ रेस्पेक्टिव नेशन कुड नॉट इवन मेक effort for establish peace and harmony. Now what happened there? The ruler of that nation cannot try the efforts to establish the peace as well as the harmony. Harmony it means the ekta. Next one, philosophy about the war. The policy of war is a welfare. Dear children, we know about that. What kind of the policy they believe? The policy of the war is a welfare. That kind of the took of the root in Europe started. The German writer Trotsky published the maximum life only the mighty deserve to live. Now what happened there? German writer write down that only mighty. What was the meaning of mighty? Mighty it means the शक्तिमान, जो शक्तिशाली होगा वही जिंदा रहेगा. And war alone is the national need. And what they have to think that? They have to think that the war is necessary for the national level. And that's why Nietzsche, the German writer, expressed the war as a scared work. What they have to say that? They also expressed that war is a one kind of the scared यानी डरा हुआ काम है. Now, the Prince of Austria and his wife were assassinated by being shot by the member of Serbian terrorist organization. Now, what happened there? At that time, the Prince of Austria and his wife were assassinated. Assassinated it means हत्या कर दी. By being shot by the member of Siberian terrorist organization Black Handsome, and that's why Austria blamed the Serbia, and that's why what happened that Austria blamed the Serbia for the involvement in the act and gave an ultimatum to hand over the culprit to the Austria within the 48 hours. Culprit it means अपराधी, and that's why what happened there? Here the Austria blamed the Serbia and give the time for the how many hours? For the 48 hours, and to give them culprit. But Serbia declared its ignorance in this matter, and Serbia what done that? Here Serbia declared the ignorance in this matter without listening to anything from the Serbia. Austria declared the war on the Serbia. Now what happened there? Here the Serbia not listen the any voice of the Austria, and Austria declared the war against the Serbia. And this kind of the activity done by the terrorist organization, and the name of the terrorist organization is the Black Handsome, and that's why this is the one kind of the emergency region that the Prince of Austria and his wife were shot in the by the Serbian terrorist organization, and that's why Austria declared the war against the Serbia, and this is the first World War had began with this.